What's going on, everybody? Mike here. Welcome back to Tahoes and Turbos. Day number 10. But it's actually day number 11 if you count Halloween, which it is what it is. I was just checking. I saw something that looked weird on my floor or my wall, and I was just checking it out with my foot. But yeah, if you count Halloween, this is day number 11. And today we're going to head over to the car and start cleaning up the brake springs and stuff like that, get everything ready to go, and probably put that one cylinder on. So I have a very, 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 very busy day. I got lots of stuff to do with the kids. So hopefully I can get everything done and out to you guys at a decent time today. I haven't been liking the fact that I've been getting videos out at like 6 or 7 and 8, but that's just how it's been going, but it's been working. So I got an update on the Tahoe. It's still sitting here. So, and the reason for that is, oh, hang on, I think somebody's here. So, the reason for that is, well, I think Buddy May had issues with his tune stuff that he was working on yesterday, because I didn't hear back from, but he's got a lot. I messaged him this morning. He's got a lot to do. So, hopefully, we'll have an update on this. I think by the end of the week I'll know what's up with it for sure. So hopefully maybe by the end of the day. I don't want to bug him too much. It's his wife's birthday, and then he goes to work for 2 nights and 2 days. So then he's off for 5. So hopefully in that stretch we should get this thing done. But anyways, let's. I'm just in here now to grab like my Backsaver 5000, and we'll head over to the other shop. Forgot to mention too, November 10th. It's about 5 degrees in here. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. It's supposed to snow today, but apparently not. So anyways, I'm going to shut the shop down and we'll see you guys at the other one. Alright guys and girls, we are back at the shop. What we're going to be doing today is just taking the wire wheel and cleaning this shit up. Trying to get it as pretty as I can, so we can bolt everything back up to it. So inside here is actually really good. It's the other side that's kind of really crusty and gross. So I also want to take some of the hardware here and start cleaning it up too in the vise with the wire wheel. So get it all the goopies off, kind of get the springs kind of looking a little bit better, stuff like that. So I'm gonna begin and start seeing how it looks. Last thing we're gonna do probably is the hub here. So if I have enough time, and then put the new wheel cylinder in it, which could be a lot of fun. Because I don't remember which tools I need. Maybe we'll do this first. Maybe we'll put the wheel cylinder in first. Back here is what I'm talking about. Kind of this mung off. It's hard to see. Let me grab the flashlight. Further down, maybe. Oh, sorry, guys. There he goes. Now you can see. Yeah, I want to clean some of that gunk off back here, so then have a nice, better mating surface for everything. So I'll do that, and then we'll get to the front. Maybe give it a quick little one all around. I already did with the brush, and it actually turned out really, really good. So yeah, maybe we'll get that wheel cylinder in. We'll get the line on. And go from there. I'm excited. I don't know if I'm going to be able to tighten the line because I don't know if I have the right tools here, but we're going to get everything on at least as tight as I can. And if I have to bring my tool bag when I do the pads or the shoes, we'll be good to go. So right on, right on. This is progress. Every day some progress, folks. Okay, folks. I'm kind of filming this really hard, but it's clean. I got the hub. I did that side, and then I did the other side. So if I turn the wheel, no, this way. These old cars, hey, front ends are so light on them. There we go. I like that. And then I come to this side. And again, it is clean. It doesn't look that clean now. I don't know why, but yeah, there we go. There, she's good. So now, I'm gonna just take the wire wheel to the front here and give her a good one all over, and we'll put that cylinder in. Okay, so you folks can see, cleaned up the spindle really well, like really well. Hit it. It's pitted, but that's just old metal, right? It's what it is. It is what it is. But in here where it counts, it's all nice and smooth and shiny. So we're gonna have a perfect, a perfect mount for the wheel cylinder. I also went ahead and cleaned up the hard more as best I can, considering it's 70 some years old. Like stuff like this, you guys, like these kind of videos, like the daily stuff. It's this stuff that literally I do on the daily that doesn't really make it usually into regular videos, because I usually save, the big stuff for when it's all here and stuff. But you guys don't see the behind the scenes of having to clean all this crap up, right? So that's kind of what this is. So that's what these daily uploads are. And also, like I said, it's Men's Mental Health Month, so we gotta get out of bed in the morning and get stuff done, right, folks? So. And what was that I said yesterday about how if you're not right within, you're not going to win? Or before you can win, you have to be right within, something like that. And that's so damn true. So the state, like how you feel inside, is everything. So if you're sad, it's going to come out and show. So anyways, I'm going to get this wheel cylinder out. So just gotta get some stuff done on here. Maybe if the stepdad comes out and checks stuff, and he sees that I'm doing progress on it, it'll get his ass in gear for ordering parts. So, okay, the new washer I'll change out, and then I guess she goes in like so. Hey, yeah, just like that. Huh. Shiny. Ooh, it's gonna look good. Can't wait, guys. Be back with an update soon. And like that, we got the cylinder in. So, pretty simple. Went in just like it came out. I had to thread the line into the back first, until it was like kind of tight or taut a bit. And then bolted it to the housing here, and then tightened up the line. So she should be good. I will give everything a good once over when I put it all back together properly. But that should at least do the trick for this. So I was pumping fluid out the master cylinder there, and it was coming out of the line, no problem at all. So I have faith big time that we are gonna have brakes. So brakes are gonna work, no problem at all. Now I got a little bit of time before I gotta go pick the kids up, so I'm gonna start cleaning this stuff up, and we'll be back. But this already looks so much better. So much better. Hopefully that line will be okay. Let me turn the wheel to the lock as far as I can, and let's see if it... Okay, it's all the way that way. Lots of flex in the line. That is good. Okay, now all the way the other way. Armstrong steering. Yeah, it turns easy, but the wheels are damn big on these things. And again, same amount of line. Perfect. So, all right, that looks to be good. That just holds the seal in, maybe. I don't know, but anyways, let's start cleaning up the rest of the jazz, shall we? Okay, folks, just ending up the video here, cleaning the stuff up while I wait to find what's going on with other parts. So, yeah, here's what it's looking like. Here's what it did look like. So I'm going to keep cleaning all these up, and we'll be back to show you guys what it looks like in a bit. And like that, everything is cleaned up, looking real nice and shiny and new. I even did the springs a bit. Now I'm going to warn you guys. I'm going to have to hit them with some brake cleaner, but other than that, I'm going to wipe them a little bit. But I got all the rust and the chunks off them. A little bit of a warning. When you guys are doing brakes, right? Let me tell you this. So be very, very careful. If you're cheek poking these, because they will go flying, they'll hit you in the face and it'll suck. Ask me how I know. Thank Christ for these. So anyways, I'm going to clean everything up, put everything down over here, and start getting ready to go. Because I got to go pick up the kids now for skating. I think all I have left to clean up is just that little bit of stuff right there, little pins and whatnot, which takes 2 seconds. So, but yeah, wheel cylinder is on. It's not leaking. So that's always a positive. The next time you see this car, we'll hopefully be putting some parts on it. So it's like every time I ask my stepdad if he ordered his parts, he's always like, well, next payday, next payday. It's like, well, dude, it's going to be getting so cold pretty soon that I ain't going to be touching shit until the spring. So if you want it done and ready to roll out of here in the spring, I need parts. So, which I'm sure you guys understand where I'm coming from on that when you guys are working with other people's projects. Like with my Tahoe, it's all there. Everything that Buddy needs there is in the hatch, or in the back. All the exhaust, all the extra pieces, all of that stuff. So it's ready to go as soon as he's ready for it. So, and with that, I gotta go, guys. Till next time, take care of yourselves. Love you. I'll see you tomorrow with day 11, which is a special day because it's Veterans Day. So, and speaking of that, like, you know how hard it is for veterans, especially this time of year. This is a hard time all around. So if you know anybody who's having a hard time or going through a hard time, it takes literally all of 2 minutes, 2 seconds just to say, hey man, how you doing? You know, hope all is well. And that literally could save somebody's life. You never know. So, and with that, I'm out of here. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. God bless.